Hello guys, this will be the video discussion for the sample problems sa ating first lecture. So let's start with problem 3. Determine the magnitude of the component force F and the magnitude of the resultant force Fr if Fr is directed along the positive y axis. So this is our figure. What I did was I just redrew the figure. So this is our force F acting at an angle 45 from the vertical y-axis. This is Fr, acting sa positive y-axis. And this is the 200-pound force acting at an angle 30 degrees from the horizontal axis. So guys, sa mga ganitong problems, ang challenge lang is for you to identify the proper angles, no? For you to know kung ano yung angles na yun. Right? So, yan. Yun yung gawin natin. This, guys, is 30, diba? This angle here. If this is 30 from the horizontal, and this is the vertical axis y, it would mean na, syempre, ito, 60 degrees. Okay? Next, from what we have explained in class, yung parallelogram, kapag nag-draw ka ng diagonal from one of its corners papunta dun sa kabilang corner, yung angle dito would be the same angle here. Okay? So, if this is 45, this here is also 45. Alright? So, yan. Next, in the same manner, if this is 30 degrees, yung angle from here hanggang dun sa horizontal line is 30 degrees. Kuha? Now, this is one triangle, diba? The sum of the included angles of a triangle is 180. Now, in order to know this angle here, we subtract these 3 from 180. So, 60 plus 30, that's 90. Plus 45, that's 135. Okay, so 180 minus 135 is 45. So that's why we have a 45 degree angle here. Okay? Or pwede rin naman, dahil ito ay 45, tapos ito ay horizontal line, syempre ito 90 degrees, diba? So, kung 45 yan, ito 90, ito 45 din. Okay? So that's another way of looking at it. That's another way of identifying this angle here. Okay? So, ayun. Kaya nag-draw ko tong figure na to with those angles. Alright? Next, ano daw yung required? Ang required is CF at CFR. Okay? Magnitude. Now, for the solution, what I did was I isolated this triangle here. Okay? So, ayan. Draw natin. And ayun na, ito na siya. So, ngayon, ano na lang, isipin mo na lang, dalawa lang naman yung equation natin, di ba? We have sine law and cosine law. Ano ba yung mas appropriate dito? Okay, kung ito yung given, you have one magnitude, one leg, tapos all angles. Ano ba? Dapat ba cosine law or sine law? Sa cosine law, guys, ang kailangan mo, dalawang sides, isang angle. Okay? Para malaman mo yung third side. O, dito, isa lang yung side na given. So, hindi mo magagamit si cosine law. Kaya, pag ganito yung itsura, ang gamitin mo, sine law. Alright? So, ayun, formulating the equation for this problem, using sine law, you have F, okay, so this force F, over sine, the opposite angle, 60. So, F over sine 60 equals Fr over sine, itong, ano to? This is 30 plus 45, which is 75. Okay, and then equals 200 over sine, this one, 45. Alright, now, ano lang yan, solving for the unknowns, ano? So, pindot ka lang sa calcu, you will arrive at a value na 244.949 pounds for F and 273.205 pounds for FR. Right? Or F sub R. Okay. So guys, pag ganito lang yung formula, huwag kang mag-shift solve ha. Ano lang yan? Cross multiplication lang. Okay? So, huwag mong i-complicate yung ilalagay mo sa calcu para mabilis kang makakuha ng sagot. Alright, so that's the end of problem 3. Next, we have problem 4. It is required that the resultant force acting on the eyeball be directed along the positive x-axis and that F2 have a minimum magnitude. Determine this magnitude, the angle theta, and the corresponding resultant force. So, ito yung given. You have the eyeball. The 800 Newton force is acting at an angle 60 degrees from the horizontal. F2 is acting at an angle theta from the horizontal. So, yan. Ngayon, hanapin mo daw si F2, si theta, at saka yung resultant, FR. Okay? So, yan. Let's write the given. So, I drew the 800 Newton force and yung F2. Okay. From parallelogram law, okay, gumawa ko ng parallelogram, and ito yung naging resultant force FR. So, hindi ko lang nalagyan guys ng notation na F sub R dito. No? Okay, so there. Ngayon, sabi kasi, dapat daw si F2, maliit yung value, minimum. As in, pinakamaliit. Okay, so how are we gonna do that? So what I did was, I isolated one triangle. Okay. And as I isolated the triangle, inikot ko din siya. Oh, ito. Okay. Ay, hindi naman pala inikot. Ito yung inikot. But anyway, let's isolate this triangle here, yung upper portion. Okay. Ito yan. Diba? Ngayon, fixed yung 800. Yung FR, depende sa kung ano yung value ni F2. Okay? Yung maninipis na lines dyan, guys, ito yung possible values ni F2. Alright? So, let's imagine F2 to be this line here. Okay, so kunwari yan si F2. Ngayon, let's try doing this line. Ito. Diba yung line na to is shorter than this one? Now, what if I drew this line here? Vertical line. This is much shorter than this one. And if I move it further, dito ako nag-draw, lumaki yung value ni F2, diba? Mas humaba siya. So, what you would notice is from here to here, decreasing yung value ni F2. From here to there, increasing yung value ni F2. So, saan yung minimum? Ito, no, yung vertical line na to. Kasi, recall nyo lang guys, yung Pythagorean theorem, di ba? Sabi doon, yung triangle na ang isang angle ay right angle. Okay. Ito. Yung third side, which is the hypotenuse, would always be the longest side. Okay? So, kung yung opposite ng 90 degrees, yun yung hypotenuse. If this is our triangle, nasan yung 90? Ito, di ba? So, yung opposite niya, lagi yan yung longest side. Pero, yung other two sides would always be shorter than the hypotenuse. Diba? So, kung si F2 mo, magiging hypotenuse ng triangle mo, mahaba talaga yon, hindi yun minimum. Okay? Magiging minimum lang si F2 kapag siya ay naging ito. Okay? Yung shorter side. One of the legs of your triangle sa Pythagorean theorem. Okay, kaya pinili natin na si F2 ay vertical, ganyan. Okay. Yan. So, direction of F2, so naka 90 degrees siya from the horizontal, would be the smallest value, would give the smallest magnitude for F2. Okay, gets ba yun? So, I do hope so now. Dahil alam na natin na ito yung shortest possible for F2, niredraw natin yung triangle. Ito. No? So, yan. Dahil ito ay 90, syempre, yung kabila, 90 din. Diba? Now, if this is 90, this is 60, what's left here is 30 degrees. Okay? So, katulad ng number 3, ang given sa'yo isang leg, isang side, and all the interior angles. So, again, magsa-sine law tayo, hindi tayo magko-cosine law. Alright? Now, applying sine law, we will generate this equation here, 800 over sine 90, equals F2 over sine 60, and FR over sine 30. So, ayan, pindot ka sa calcu, you will arrive at these answers. F2 is 692.82 newtons. FR, the resultant force is 400 newtons. And theta, ano ba si theta? Ito siya, no? Yung angle ni F2. Alright, which is 90 degrees. So, ayun guys, ito na yung sagot. Alright? I do hope that you got the explanation, guys. Alright? That's all. Thank you. Bye.